SMTC down huge, 33% earlier today, Pete. And it's still nowhere near the 52-week low despite a 33% drop. Baird basically lowering their targets from 80 to 60 on this move, Pete. And yes, we did have unusual put activity. And take a look at where the stock was, folks, when we had that. The stock was almost $54 a share. Somebody comes in, buys a bunch of puts. If you're new to the show, a put option gives you the right to sell at a certain price. So they were buying puts, Pete, that were basically $9 under the market. And now those puts are hugely in the money. So that is a big win for anybody that followed that trade with the smart money in Semtech.
Yep. That unusual option activity has been money. It's been money for a long, long time. 2025, it's just getting better and better. John, we had 66 million contracts trading last Friday. Gives you a little bit of an idea how big things have really gotten, and people are shifting more and more over to the options world to try to find themselves and manipulate themselves into stocks, whether that's the upside or the downside. To your point, in this case, it was to the downside, and boy, are they right. By the way, in the last 5 days, John, stock's down 41%. It's down 33% today. It's looking pretty awful. And when you see what Baird and the analyst had to say and where the price target moved from 80 to 60, there's a lot of reasons to wonder when will this stock actually stop tumbling down? It's kind of flattening out a little bit today. I wouldn't be surprised if there's even a little bit more pressure on it, John. The shorts are in this one, but they might start to cover a little bit. When you think about the stock being 65 not too terribly long ago, and now here we are in the 30s, the upper 30s, call it 37, I wouldn't be surprised to start seeing a little bit of that buying after the big shorts that are in this one. 9 to 12% of the outstanding is short. So some covering, if we start to see some covering, that might be a good sign.
Pete, right where the stock is right now, I'll say that at roughly 37, 38-ish, that's where I would draw the line in the sand for the short term.
Yep.
Like you're saying, we haven't seen an endorsement that says we got to buy this one today. But I think in this range, I'm looking at it, Pete, it looks like basically the end of August was right around this same level. Back in June, it was right around this level, and I'm talking 37, 38-ish. So the fact that you're getting to get in 30 some odd percent to the downside, obviously, I'm a bargain shopper. I like that, Pete.